Hi guys, in this video I will be show you how you can use speed or curve function in CapCut. So tap on your project and select your video you want to edit, and here I already have a clip and how to use speed curve. So just tap on clip and select speed button. So you can select this normal curve for just the velocity, so I just click curve and you can click custom. So click edit and you can adjust for the curve. So just swipe up for the faster and swipe down to slower. You can reset, or you can select this template for the velocity, for example using one take. So you can see this up for up faster and down for the slower. You can also adjust for the speed, so you can see the result. Okay, that's how to use speed curves function on CapCut. This basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.